String bending technique is an essential but crucial technique you must learn as a beginner guitar player. Here are some examples of a bad and a good bending technique. String bending is an essential technique for blues, rock and country guitarists. Next to vibrato, it's perhaps the most expressive technique guitarists have at their disposal. Its purpose is to give your melodies a vocal, or singing, quality. Proper intonation. One of the keys to effective string bending is proper intonation. That is, the ability to nail the desired pitch of the bend. Achieving proper bend intonation boils down to two things: a good ear and muscle memory. Here is an example of proper intonation, and hear the difference within my slides and bends. Generally, guitarists play bends with either their third or fourth fingers, with help from the first and second. However, it's important that you be able to bend using any of your fret hand fingers. In this section I will teach you the 3 bending techniques I usually use. For this example we will use the E minor pentatonic scale. Use your third finger to bend the second string on the 15th, but first pick the first and second string on the 12th fret. This one I call it the power bend. This is the technique where you pick the bended strings several times until you go down. Here are some examples. The third technique is the pre-bend technique. In this technique we will start by bending and releasing it down to go back to the original position. Double string bend is another technique involving two or more strings, where one is bent and the other is not. Whereas you typically play the stationary note in a unison bend with your first finger. Add this technique to your guitar soloing to add more dimensions, tensions and soul, like you are singing with your guitar. Practice each technique properly and slowly and remember to hit the correct note exactly. I hope you learned from this tutorial. If you like this video, hit the like button below and subscribe for more videos and tutorials. If you have questions or suggestions, please leave a comment below. Keep on practicing and see you on our next videos. God bless.